Meaning of gross national product.
Gross national product.
Gross national product.
Gross national product.
Gross national product. Gross national product, GNP, refers to the total value of all goods and services produced by a country's residents, regardless of their location, in a given period, typically a year. It includes everything produced by a country's citizens or companies, including those living abroad, and excludes production by foreigners within the domestic economy. Essentially, it reflects the economic power of a nation and its ability to generate wealth through production and consumption. GNP is an important indicator of a country's economic performance as well as its citizens' standard of living.